Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading on the QUOTEX platform. I'm going to be using technical analysis, and I'm going to be using the help of the alligator indicator to find good entry points on the market and hit my goal for today. I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $10 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $10,000 or more. Hopefully by the end of the video I'm able to do that, so stay tuned until the end of the video because you might like this strategy and use it in your own trades. And also, if you'd like to join my private chat in Telegram channel, if you're looking to learn more about binary trading, and if you have any questions concerning binary trading, I can answer and reply to all your questions in this private chat. If you'd like to join, go under this video, it has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team. I'm gonna add you to this private chat, and then you can be able to ask all your questions and learn more about binary trading. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. So let me get started. So as you can see on the indicator, it's represented by three sliding lines: the green, the yellow, and the red. When we see on the graph that we have a crossing of the sliding lines and the green line goes down, you can see the price shows a good decline. That is, on such a crossing you can open a trade to go down. Next, when the green sliding line crosses the rest of the line from bottom to top and moves from top, we can see the price shows a good growth here. And on such a situation, on such a crossing, you can open a trade for a rising. And also, as you can see in the situation with the retracement, the indicator does not give signals, and since we have multiple crossings of the sliding lines, in such situations it's better to avoid and find other entry points. So let me show you how to trade with my first entry point. As you can see, after a small retracement, green candlesticks form on the chart. And here I'm going to propose to open a trade to go up immediately, since on the indicator you can see a crossing of the sliding lines and the green line goes up. Also, as you can see earlier, we had a price turn and the price showed a good growth while the main price minimums became higher. All this makes me understand that the price has a good upside potential. Therefore, I think it's more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. And as you can see, the price is already showing a good growth here. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really awesome, friends. You can see impulsive green candlesticks form on the chart, and you can see the price makes a small rollback down. At the same time, you can see the trade closed here in a plus, and I got very good profit. In this situation, you can see the indicator was right again, and 1 minute was enough for this. Let me continue. So here you can see the price continues to move up and is approaching the resistance level. Here I'm going to open the trade to go up, since the green line of the base indicator is located at the top again. Also, you can see the main price minimums on the graph have become higher, and we have some compression of the resistance level here. At the same time, I can see previously the price came to this level clearly, and so I think that even now the price will move up and it will touch the marked level here. So I want to try and earn very good profit on this movement here. Let me watch this price and see what will happen. This is quite good. You can see the price continues to move up, and thus here my trade closes above the entry point and I got very good profit. You can see this indicator did not let me down and showed me a good entry point. Let me continue. So here you can see that the price is moving in a rising trend, and currently an impulsive green candlestick forms. At the same time, the green line of the alligator goes up. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade to go up, since the indicator gives me an idea that the price has a good upside potential. Also, as you can see, the price moves up mostly with green candlesticks, and at the same time, after a small retracement, you can see price makes an impulse up and shows a good growth. Therefore, I think it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in the rising trend. Then wait for the end of the trade. This is quite good, friends. You can see the price moves up, and here I got a very good profit. In this situation, the indicator did not let me down again and helped me earn a very good profit on this trade. 1 minute was quite enough for this. Let me continue. Here you can see that we have the price moving in a certain sideways. At the same time, the price of the lower border makes a rebound up. Therefore, here I'm going to immediately open the trade to go up. Also, on the indicator, we have a crossing of the sliding lines. Also, as you can see, the price moves up mostly mostly with green candlesticks. Also earlier, as you can see, the price when it touched the upper border showed a good decline, and at the lower border of the sideways a reaction occurred again and the price showed a good rise here. Also, the price continues to move along the scenario, and at the same time you can see we still have enough space to the upper border of the sideways, and currently the price is approaching this border. Let me wait and see how this trade will close. This is really good, friends. As you can see, the price is clearly moving according to my scenario and shows a good growth while touching the upper border of the sideways. Here I got a very confident plus, and thus my initial deposit has increased more than 10 times. This is a very great result. Let me continue. As you can see here, the price is moving along the downtrend, and currently the price is approaching the support level. Here I'm going to open the trade to go down, since the indicator gives me an idea that the price has the downside potential. Also, as you can see, the price has already touched this level several times earlier, so I think that the price will touch it now. Also, as you can see, the main price maximums on the graph are getting lower. That is, we have a certain compression of the support level, and all this tells me that the price has a good downside potential. As you can see now, the price already shows a good decline. So let me wait and see how this trade will close. This is really good, friends. You can see the price moves according to my scenario and touches the level of support. Here I got a very good profit, and in this situation you can see that the indicator did not let me down again and showed me a good entry point. Let me continue and find another situation. So here we have the price moving along the downtrend, and also an impulsive red candlestick forms, and there is a crossing of the sliding lines. Here I'm going to open the trade to go down, since the indicator gives me an idea that the price has a good downside potential. Also, you can see the main price maximums on the graph have become lower, and at the same time you can see a large number of impulsive red candlesticks on the graph. Also, after a small retracement, you can see the price makes the impulse down, so it's likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down in the downtrend. Let me wait and see how this trade will close. This is really good, friends. You can see the price shows a good decline, and here I got a very confident plus. In this situation, the indicator once again showed me a good entry point. Let me continue. So here you can see that the price is moving along the downtrend, and after a rather strong roll back up, the price makes a turn and shows a decline. At the same time, we have the crossing of the sliding lines of the indicator, and here I understand the price has a downside potential. So here I'm going to open the trade to go down. At the same time, you can see earlier the price moved up quite impulsively, mainly with green candlesticks, but then the candlesticks on the graph became much shorter. You can see the price turned around and began to move down, mainly with red candlesticks. Therefore, I think that it's likely in the near future the price will continue to move down in the general downtrend. In this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the risk. I've taken into account that there may be a retracement or a back up, but let me wait and see the end of this trade. This is quite good. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario, and here I got a very confident plus. You can see that 2 minutes in the situation was quite enough. So let me continue. Here you can see the price moved along the rising trend, but then there was a turn. The sliding lines of the alligator crossed, and the price shows a good decline. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go down, since I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down. And as you can see earlier on the graph, we saw a large number of impulsive green candlesticks, but after the turn, the price began to move down quite impulsively and mostly with red candlesticks. All this gives me an understanding that the price has a good downside potential. Also, here I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price can make a roll back up, or you can get into a retracement zone. But as you can see now, the price is already going down. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is quite good, friends. You can see the price is showing a good decline, and here I got a confident plus. Thus you can see I have my first $1,000 as my deposit, so I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me continue. So here you can see we have a good price growth, but from the resistance level it makes a rebound down. Also, we have the crossing of the sliding lines. In this situation, I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down, since I think that in the near future the price will show some kind of decline. Also, as you can see, the main price maximums on the graph are becoming lower lately, and at the same time you can see a large number of red candlesticks. All this tells me that the price has a good downside potential. So let me wait for the end of this trade. This is really good, friends. You can see the price impulsively goes down, and thus I get a very confident plus. As you can see in this situation, the indicator did not let me down and hinted at a good entry point. Also, 1 minute was perfectly enough for me here. Let me continue. Here you can see the price shows a decline, and we have a support level below to which the price is approaching currently. Here I'm going to open the trade to go down, since on the indicator we had a crossing of the sliding lines, and as you can see earlier the price moved down mainly with red candlesticks, and after such a strong rebound up from the support level, the price made a turn and continued its decline. All this tells me that the price has a good downside potential, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down in the downtrend and will break through the marked level. In this situation, I'm going to use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account the retracement near the support level, or there may be a rollback up. But let me wait and see the results. This is really awesome. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario here, and it shows a very good decline. You can see at the same time there was a breaking through of the support level. Thus I got a very good profit here, and as you can see 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. Let me continue. So here you can see we have a good solid uptrend. At the same time earlier the sliding lines intersected and the green line is currently on top. Therefore in such a situation I'm going to open the trade for 2 minutes to go up, since the indicator says the price has a good upside potential. Also, as you can see, the main price minimums on the chart are becoming noticeably higher. Therefore I think it's likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up according to the rising trend. In this situation I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, because as you can see price periodically makes rollbacks down, so I'm taking into account such a rollback. So let me wait and see the results. This is pretty good. You can see the price is going up impulsively, and here I got a confident plus. Thus you can see I already have $6,000 on my deposit, and I think that one more trade for today will be enough. So as you can see here the price is moving along the downtrend, and currently the price is in a correction. That is, it will make a rollback up. At the same time, you can see a crossing of the sliding lines on the indicator. So here I'm going to open the trade for a minute to go down, since the indicator indicates the price has a good downside potential. Also, there is still a long way from our entry point to the support level. At the same time, you can see the main price maximums of the graph are decreasing. So it's likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move down according to the downtrend and will approach the support level. So let me see how this trade will close. This is really excellent, friends. You can see the price shows a good decline, and there is a breaking through of the support level. That's here I got a confident plus. You can see in this situation the indicator was right again and showed me a good entry point, and you can see 1 minute here was quite enough for this trade. Right now you can see my deposit is already $10,000 and more. That means I've already hit my goal for today, so I'm going to stop here, fix this deposit and leave the market. So that was really quite good. As you saw, the situations really worked out quite well. I got a very good profit in today's trade, and I was able to hit my goal. You can be able to do it as well. It's not difficult. You just need to practice so much. Within no time you'll be able to get very good profit on your own. So if you have any questions concerning today's trades, if you'd like to learn more about binary trading, you can join my private chat in Telegram channel. To join, go under this video and find a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. And also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, subscribing down below to my channel, and also turning on notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. Until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.